Y'all see nobody in the crowd, right? Watch this. Ready?
Ain't nobody in the crowd.
Look, guys, ain't nobody in the crowd. Ain't nobody in the crowd. Ain't nobody in the crowd. Y'all see ain't nobody in the crowd. Look.
Ain't got nobody in the crowd.
Y'all see ain't nobody in the crowd.
It do get crazy when you got to set with the forge or something.
The wheel ain't straight, it'll straighten it out.
Yeah, look at this. Ain't nobody in the crowd, guys.
On game. Yeah. It's your boy Monty. I'm 32. Yeah. It's on every hood. Let's get on out there right now. Which side do you slide? Yeah. Which side do you slide? Yeah. Which side do you slide? Yeah. Which side do you slide? What it do, gang? It's your boy Montana. I'm back with another video, gang. Alright, y'all. I just got outside, man. I got a call that they got a little car show going on. So I pulled up, man, and we about to go check out these cars and see what they got out here, man. And I think some of the gang got here, so we're gonna, you know, chop it up with the gang, get some footage, and see what else we're gonna be able to get ourselves into today, all right? So, further ado, let's go. So from what I hear, man, it's like on the street. It is actually on the street. I think this is like South Holland, so it's lit. I mean, it look like it's decent. It look like it's decent, y'all. Let me see. Hold on, man. Let me make sure I lock my door. I ain't locked my door. Door's locked. Door's definitely locked. They got music playing over here. I hear, welcome to the car wash. Somebody over here washing cars. South Holland's finest fire department out here in this motherfucker. But I heard it's a lot of old schools out here, so I mean I can see it right now. You know, 442s, Cutlass, old vets, you know. But we're finna catch some of these cars, gang. It might be a little B-roll, so just so y'all know, I can't help because they got music playing. But I'm gonna get back at y'all in a minute when I see the gang. I'm finna go. It's a long walk down this street, gang, so they playing that music over there. They got that old school show. There's gonna be a lot of chopping skewing on this one, gang. They got the raccoon's tail on that one. So I'm gonna do a walk all the way down and then a walk on the other side, gang. So we can get all the cars. Please don't judge. Ain't no burnout shit. You hear me? Got the SS. Okay. They got the goddamn Ghostbusters. God. A lot of cars. Give you the stats.
They clowning, ain't they, bro?
Yeah, man, they doing their thing, gang. I'm telling you, man, it's a long walk. But we gonna take this walk all the way down here. They all the way over there. They got caught. They go Chuck over there. My boy Chuck all the way over there. Yes, sir. They done parked in the church parking lot. They done parked in the church's parking lot. We gonna go over there, see what the gang them on or whatever real quick. It says the Camaro.
Anyway, go down and see some more cars.
All right, Bob.
Take care, man.
What's up, boy? Man, I wonder if my other boy Dollar out here. This is a spot he should be at. I think it's old school out here. Man, that's a nice little walk to walk all the way down. I'm gonna just go over here. Yeah. Like a boat right there. Big. Got them antennas on the bottom of that thing. Why does it sound like they got some cicadas out here? I got you, gang. I got you. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. How you going, man? Yes, sir. My boy Dollar got that thing out here. I don't know why I thought he had 30s on, 32s and 30s on there. Oh, there go Dollar right there. Yes, sir. What up, gang?
I'm in Dollarville Southside. I'm in Indiana.
Hey, look.
Y'all ass out here arguing over who the first. Hey, you gotta say who the oldest is. I'm the original Dollar, huh?
Right. That's Harlem Nights, you know what I'm saying?
Y'all ass funny as hell. Chuck, what's up, my boy?
Hey, you gonna run that from like way the fuck? All I saw was blue. Like I saw your house from the
Tinley Park?
Hey, what you say it's called? Tinley Park picnic by Real House?
Tinley Park, we finna go there.
Oh, I don't know nothing. Yeah, I don't know nothing about that. I don't know nothing about that, gang. That boy Chuck. Where y'all going? Y'all gonna go to Washington Park? Alright, I'll meet y'all over there. Dang. Ooh-wee. That's your boy Vino.
You got that footage of the car driving yourself?
Yeah, I got that. Yeah. What's up, my boy Reese? Y'all finna go to Washington Park, right?
Yeah.
Right,
I gotta drop him off at his car, then I'm shooting right to Washington.
All right. I'll meet y'all over there, gang.
Okay.
All right. Yes, sir. All right. Let me get my boy Chuck car real quick, man. Let me get this. He got the stinking langin on 30s. He got the stinking langin on 30s. Ooh-wee. He got this the South car type. That boy is nasty. definitely nasty. But we finna well, I'm finna get ready, so I'm finna go ahead to watch the park. I don't feel like walking all the way back down there to the other end. That's far, y'all. So I'm finna get ready, get back to the car, and then I'm gonna shoot up here to Washington Park. Hopefully there's some light out there, man, and I can get some content or whatever while I'm up there, whatever. So y'all gonna have to stay tuned for that. But if y'all just joined this channel, man, make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, hit that post notification bell. Robert, your boy.
Alright, gang, I'll let you in a minute.
Yes, sir. You finna go to Washington Park too, right?
No, I'm finna go to Indiana.
Indiana?
I gotta take one out there.
Alright, okay. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get back at y'all in a minute, gang. Oh, y'all, man. So I'm just leaving that car show or whatever, but this damn tire, y'all. This shit done went down. I get in the car and it's telling me I got 8%, well, 8 PSI in it. I don't know, man, what's going on. Did Jimmy plug it good enough or what? But this where the plug was at. Y'all can see the plug was right here. Oh, man. I'm gonna air it up. Hopefully I ain't get another nail or something in here or whatever, man. So this shit is blowing me right now. Fuck. What's wrong with the world right now, man? Why everybody against me? I don't mean nobody no harm. What the fuck? It is what it is, man. Let me go ahead and put some air in this damn tire and monitor it. I might have to just go buy a tire tomorrow or whatever. So, a brand new tire, so. Can't win for losing. Alright, gang, gotta get back at y'all. Alright, gang, I just got, well, I've been up here, but I'm just turning the camera back on, but we up here behind the museum. And it's a situation going on, gang. It's a lot of copyright, so I'm gonna have to B-roll some shit, but I'm gonna get and walk around out here and get some of this footage, y'all. Yes, sir. What up, gang?
What's going on, man?
Chillin'. I seen your ass yesterday.
Yeah, when you there?
You was, where the fuck was it? I think over there by Bungalows. You was over there and shit. Yeah, I'm gonna walk through this bitch and get some footage, gang. See, man, one of the reasons why I don't be wanting to record when I be up here because there be so much B-roll, so much music getting played, but you know, I'm trying to just, it is what it is, gang. Light work. up, gang? Chillin'.
I'll follow you up and over. You control me fast and slow.
What up, gang?
When you move, I move.
Shit, let me get these cars. Yes, sir. Alright, so we over here. Got the Camaro on the big 34s. This Mike ass Mike. Mike your ass, it's fire, gang. What the fuck you been at?
Man, low.
Getting this money and shit. You act like you don't want to come outside and shit. Fuck with the people and shit. Ain't no money out here, huh?
Ain't no YouTubers, ain't no money for shit out there.
I'm thinking you goddamn, gang. Hey, this motherfucking nasty. This motherfucking nice. You did your shit on this one. You always do your shit on your vehicles, gang, so. You know, ain't nothing new when it come to yours.
I had to, bro. That dude said it was giving me a headache.
It was, huh?
I wake up. I wake up.
Fucking that shit up.
That car's up there. Oh, you never have no tequila.
It's done.
That's done? That ain't what Buddy just gave you?
Yeah.
Down is still tequila.
What you get, like a two shots in that motherfucker?
Nah, hell no, bro. This is my cup already.
Let's say shit.
My cup already.
Yeah.
Let's see what it is out here. We got Vino out here. Yeah.
I see old Vino right there. I said, oh, okay. Yeah.
Superstar Reese.
Nah.
Shit. I'm just a squirrel trying to get a nut. Nothing more, nothing less. You know, shit, I'm telling you that he should put some wheel lights on that motherfucker.
No, he gonna light the whole bottom of it up. And he gonna put some highs in there, and then I'm getting a box built in there too. He gonna let Reggie do it? Yeah, he gonna put some highs in there.
Wayne get in there banging. I know that's right.
Let up like a
I'm fucking hungry.
That's for Willoughby. They covered on it.
I'm fucking hungry. Let me see Tunchi little head ass.
Moving his hair out the way and shit. This shit finna be wrong.
There's a whole handprint on this motherfucker. Fired, that's what.
CEO, gang. I'm the CEO. I can't get fired, gang.
He said, I can't get fired.
I ain't on me.
I'm on me, huh?
CEO.
You gotta turn the gimbal around. That motherfucker. Damn.
Oh, where your chain at, gang?
I ain't got nothing on. I'm just chilling.
Plain Jane out here in this motherfucker.
I'm chilling, baby. Big blue.
Shit, it is the situation out here. Where your chain at? Where your chain, where your ring at?
I ain't got nothing.
Yeah, man, but I just new to the channel, man. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, hit that all post notification bell.
Want to shoot downtown?
Where?
One time? Shit.
Downtown?
We need
Shit. No, man.
I mean, what time is it though? You know they gonna yeah, but they gonna close this shit down.
Yeah, man. By the time you go over there, shit, it's a wrap.
I'd rather be over there than over here.
But man, make sure y'all subscribe to the rest of the gang, man. Y'all already know what it is. Swervo, Tunchi, Stunner Reese, man. Make sure y'all go ahead and tap in on their channels. But I'm just trying to get a little of this footage, man. I know it's gonna be crazy on this editing, cause man, we got noise, we got copyright, we got all type of shit going down. What's going on out here? What's going on tomorrow?
Oh, tomorrow?
Tomorrow's
everybody gonna be wishing it's August 31st.
Yeah,
Box Chevy Wars.
Yeah, sir, man.
But it ain't, but they gonna be wishing it was.
Tap in, y'all, tap in. Make sure y'all come in town, man. What day it is it?
August 31st,
August 31st.
Yes, sir. Box Chevy Wars, man.
Box Chevy Wars.
My brother Sugar Man on that. That's
yes,
right,
sir.
man.
Yeah, man. So make sure y'all get up here, man, and get y'all cars into that, man. You definitely want to see it. 32 gang gonna be in the building.
Hell yeah.
Y'all already know shit. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, okay. She got the little pink rally stripes on there and shit. Okay. 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 What is this? Yeah. Alright, gang, I'm about to wrap it up, man. I'm getting tired, man. I'm ready to head to the crib. They finna try to go downtown. I don't think I'm gonna slide downtown, so I'm about to go ahead and close this video out. So it ain't nothing else up here. So plus, I'm tired of all this music playing. I don't really want to do all this B-roll and stuff. But anyway, man, like the video, man. Make sure y'all subscribe if y'all just joining this channel, man. It's your boy Munty32. And I'm finna check out with another video. But it's next time. I'm out. Gang.